Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix tags on Asana. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you started tagging some of your tasks, but for some reason you made a mistake on this tag right here and you want to go ahead and fix it. How do you actually go ahead and fix tags on Asana? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click onto the tag that you want to go ahead and fix. And it's going to take you to this list view right here specifically for this tag. Next, you're going to click on Actions, which is this drop-down icon, and then go ahead and click on Rename Tag. So as you can see, I can now go ahead and fix this tag. And there you have it. In addition, you could actually go ahead and set the color for this tag as well, and boom. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.